Hello guys, this is a new video. I am Elijah. I'm going to be controlling Bite Force. And today we have
Blaze. My name is Blaze, and I will be having this one right here.
aka Blacksmith.
Hello.
And this is our first battle bot video. And everyone saying we might do a video about witch doctor and tombstone. So stay tuned for that. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
BattleBot's ready.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, we're going to be doing 3 rounds.
3 rounds. We're going to be doing 3 rounds.
Get off of me, man.
Ew, my thing's not turning. I'm coming for you.
Don't smack me today. No!
Come on. You going to try to get that thing off?
Come on.
I'm trying to get a piece off.
Let's go.
I said skirt, skirt.
And to make this round, to make it like quicker and not take like forever, we added that like if your robot gets stuck like just like this, you have 10. Hold on, you have 10 seconds to get out of that position, or else new round and you win. So I took off a piece, but I wasn't counting right that second, so. See, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If I get loose.
7, 8, 9, 10. Ding, 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 ding. Bite Force wins. And so round 2 is here.
Can I get a different one?
Nah,
I want the blade.
The blade. You said the hammer guy was better, huh?
Nah, the blade is better. The blade is better.
Right? I'm making some essential repairs.
I'm ready. 3,
2,
1.
1.
I'm not doing 3. Go. Hey, kid, get off me. Get off me, kid. It's dog water.
Get up.
No!
Take that piece out. Alright, resume. The thing I like about Bite Force against the Blacksmith is that he has these little things that can go under Blacksmith's body and lift him up and then win. See, just like that.
No, that doesn't count.
Okay,
It didn't come out yet.
Fine,
It didn't come
fine,
out
fine.
yet.
This is bad. This is bad.
Psych, he lied.
No! Get off of me, man. Alright. Wait. No.
I can get out. I can get out.
Yeah, you can get
Wait,
out.
my finger's not moving.
There it goes up sometimes.
My thing's not turning.
Come on.
I know how to get out of this situation.
1! Get out.
No, not today. You're not listening to me up today.
1,
No!
2, 3, 4,
Yeah, you're gonna win
5.
this one. Oh, wait.
6, 7.
Whoa!
Oh, so close. Alright, this piece is off. He has one more piece.
The thing I don't like about this one is these don't come off.
No, they do come off. Look.
It's just hard to.
Yeah, look. Like,
Yeah, see how hard it is?
see?
Yeah, but it's hard.
I can put it later. I put it lighter. Okay. Alright. Ready? Okay, let's go.
Huh! Huh!
He just did a black. Did you guys just see that? He just did a black. Oh! He just got knocked out. He just got knocked out. Oh my! Look, wait. Stop your bot real quick. I got this piece, and his other piece.
Ah, good game, good game, good game.
Good game. Shake on it. Or let's put here. Shake on it. All right.
If I had the other one, the purple one, you would have been dead.
Yeah. Round 3.
I'm at the repair station. I just need a car wash.
All right. We're repairing Blaze's bot.
Look how cool his look, guys.
Yeah. Look.
It has a whole blade on it.
Yeah, it has a
And
full blade.
mine has like a Thor thing.
Yeah.
But it's hard. It's hard to get. See, look at this. And mine doesn't have anything else.
Yeah, it has a little hammer. And also has like a.
But that one, the gray one, guys, it goes 50 miles per hour.
Yep.
Stay tuned for that video.
Yes.
You guys ready?
Ready?
3,
2,
1, go!
I'm off the ground. Oh my! Are you guys seeing this? I'm lifted off the ground. I'm lifted off the ground. No, don't eliminate me. Ah! Yes, I'm back on the ground.
Yes! 1! Oh!
Oh yes, this piece came off.
Oh, no! Come on!
No, yes, this piece came off. Can this be it for by force? Can this be it for the end of the video? And we're gonna do more videos today, right?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that. Huh? Yeah, come on, baby.
I'm stacking them.
I can't move. I can't turn.
Out of here. No, I'm stuck. My piece. Hold on. Yes, come off. No, my top piece is about to come off.
I have my sword stuck.
Come closer, Blaze.
I juked you. Cool, yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh, it is off. It's off for the knockout elimination.
GG.
We got it, boys. We
Guys,
got it.
imagine this going like this.
I know, right? Oh,
Just for that, Elijah. Oh!
oh yeah. But anyways, we still have to repair it, and it was a good match. Very good match.
You want to do one more?
Hold it down, hold it. Well, this has been
A good battle.
yes. Go buy these. These are battle bots,
Yes.
and they are at Target for like I don't know, like
$10?
no, like $50 or something like that.
Mm.
Oh, well, yeah.
This was a nice time.
And it was awesome. And we'll see you on the next one.